Good afternoon. Sam from Neguac here with a random repair video. When I get a slow day, I like to pick at a random piece of dead hardware. But that's what I love about my work. There's never really a slow day. Just a day to catch up, write on my AI, write code for a random web project, or play Dr. Frankenstein with dead hardware. So today I'm attacking a dead 19-inch LCD screen that didn't even want to power on. I mean, practice makes you better, right? So I see 4 busted capacitors on this unit here, so it should be a quick fix. And if I can save a 19-inch screen from going to the landfill, well, right on. And I always get a little rush when I resurrect something from the dead pile anyways. Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., no appointments needed. My bot will tell me when you pull into my parking lot.
Alright. Ça va-tu marcher? Yeah!
Really?
LOL.